Hey users, this is the FAQ series where we are discussing about the errors which are faced by the users. However, in this video, we are discussing about the installation of the plugins in a bulk action. So let's just get in. So you can just go in the dashboard, appearance, and then install plugins. So you'll find various plugins over here and then just select them all. And instead of bulk action, just select install and apply it. So this thing will just install all the plugins that are required for your theme. Now the plugins have been installed, so return to the required plugins section and you'll find all the activate option available. So select them all again and bulk action change to activate them and just apply it. So here it says it requires the WooCommerce, so we need to activate that too. So just go in there and just activate the plugins of the WooCommerce. As you can see, all the plugins have been installed and they are all active. So this is how you can install the plugins for your theme. However, if you're facing some errors, we have a separate videos for that too. You can just check them out, or you can just mention the errors which you are facing in the comment box. Till then, see you in the next one.